Welcome back to LinguaLab 3.0. This is Mike. This video is about superlative adjectives. Do you want to learn more? Stay tuned. Before we continue, we would appreciate if you subscribe and hit the bell icon. That will help our channel to grow. Thank you. Alright, now let's get into it. Superlative adjectives. We use the plus superlative to compare three or more elements. Remember, it's three or more elements. Group 1. One-syllable adjectives. One-syllable adjectives usually have superlative form as followed: the plus adjective plus est. Large, the largest. Small, the smallest. Smart, the smartest. Just like in comparative, adjectives ending in a vowel plus a consonant double the final consonant plus est. Please, if you haven't watched our video about the comparative, it will be in the description below. Big, the biggest. Hot, the hottest. Thin, the thinnest. Group 2. Most adjectives with three or more syllables form the superlative with the most plus adjective. Colorful, the most colorful. Dangerous, the most dangerous. Interesting, the most interesting. Group 3. Irregular superlatives. Irregular superlatives include adjectives like good, bad, far. Good becomes the best. Bad, the worst. Far, the farthest. Okay, now it's time to see some examples. Look at this picture. Look at the picture and tell me who is the strongest. The strongest. Okay, Luke is the strongest. Now, look at this picture. We have three people. Tell me who is the oldest. The oldest. Okay, you got it. Rosa is the oldest. Alright, this is the end. Great job again. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon so you don't miss out any of our lessons. Until the next one, bye!